Are you ready to turn your gaming passion into real cash? Discover the free app that lets you earn money simply by playing games. Imagine turning your gaming passion into a profitable venture. This app is designed for gamers of all levels, whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast. In this video, we'll dive into how this innovative app transforms your gaming skills into a lucrative opportunity. We'll explore the features that make it unique and show you step-by-step how to maximize your earnings. From daily challenges to competitive tournaments, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on the chance to play and profit. With every game you play, you get closer to earning real money. Celebrate your victories and watch your earnings grow. Watch now and start making money while having fun. Whether you're on the go or at home, this app fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Play solo or join friends for even more excitement and rewards. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to boost your earnings. We offer global opportunities for online earning. No matter where you are in the world, you can join our community and start making money today. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. We love hearing from our global audience and tailoring content to your needs. Now let's get started and unlock your earning potential. Ever wondered how to make money playing video games? Well, this is it, your way to earn money by playing games. Blissful Blobs is a free app where you can make money by playing games. Imagine turning your downtime into a fun and profitable experience. Whether you're waiting for a friend, taking a break at work, or just relaxing at home, Blissful Blobs offers endless entertainment and rewards. Blissful Blobs has achieved over 100,000 downloads and boasts an impressive rating of 4.2 stars from 10.4 thousand reviews. Users love the engaging gameplay and the opportunity to earn real money. Using Blissful Blobs, anyone can make money simply by playing free games at home, in the bus station, on the metro, or even while waiting in line. The app is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making it easy to earn rewards no matter where you are. Whether you're in the subway, at a crowded public place, or in various other locations, Blissful Blobs ensures that fun and earnings are always within reach. Every gameplay has ticket rewards, which are your gateway to an exciting world of prizes and opportunities. These tickets give you a shot at lots of really big prizes. Imagine the thrill of seeing your name pop up as a winner. All you need to do is play any of the games available on the app. Just dive in and start playing. Collect at least one ticket to be entered into the frequent cash prize draws. The more you play, the more tickets you can accumulate. The more tickets you collect, the higher your chance of winning the cash prize. It's a simple equation. More tickets equal more chances to win. Picture yourself celebrating a big win, holding that virtual cash prize, and seeing the "You Win" notification flash on your screen. Blissful Blobs is your chance to make, win, and earn. It's not just about playing, it's about the rewards that come with it. Money, cash, dollars, prizes, giveaways, and sweepstakes. So what are you waiting for? Download Blissful Blobs today to unlock more awesome games and get greater cash rewards for free. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Blissful Blobs or any other making money apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.